Today we're building a droid at Droid Depot, and we want to invite you to come and dream big with us. Hey everyone, welcome to Droid Depot. In today's video, I want to go over what it takes to build a droid in Droid Depot, so you can see if this would be something you would be interested in. And before we get into it, I want to remind you guys to like and subscribe to the channel for future travel tips and videos. Alright, let's get to it. The first thing you need to do at Droid Depot is decide if you want to build a BB unit or an R unit. Here are the displays to show you your different choices and color combinations. We chose to do an R unit this time. Once you make your choice of which unit you'd like to build, you're sent over to the conveyor belt area where you get to pick the exact color and parts for the droid that you're going to build. From this point, I'm going to let the raw audio play and do some voiceovers when necessary.
What'd you get? It's a round droid. Ooh, gosh, what kind of pieces? What colors? Oh, a little purple accent. There's no purple legs or purple body. Yeah.
Once you pick your parts, you're sent over to a station where you'll build your droid. When building the droid, you're somewhat limited on the colors of the accessories. And since we picked a purple droid, we had to buy the accessory pack that you see here. But we still went home with black accessories just for spare parts. Once you're done building the droid, the cast member will take it and begin the activation process. At this point of the building process, the cast member will ask you if you have a personality chip for your droid. A personality chip is an accessory you buy at Droid Depot, and it gives your droid a specific and distinct sound. There are 2 for the Resistance, 2 for the First Order, and 2 to be a smuggler. We already had a personality chip from our previous droid, so we didn't get one here. But we do recommend the personality chips. It gives just a little extra fun to the process. And here's our finished product. Something that's cool in Galaxy's Edge is they have an area for the kids to play with their droids after they build them. And we built this one during the COVID-19 pandemic, so they temporarily removed that station. But from what I've seen, the station's back now. Here's a picture of our daughter playing with the first droid that we made. And here is our family of droids. So obviously we think it's worth it. What about you? Would you spend $100 to build a droid at Galaxy's Edge? Hit us up in the comments and let us know what you think. As always, we want to thank you for coming along and dreaming big with us. We hope this video helped you in your decision in making a droid, and we hope you have a magical day.